Hello friends, myself Naresh Agarwal and name of my company is Personal and Professional Development Programs. I'm a life skill coach. Today I'm talking about something very special. आपने सबने सुना होगा 5 का दम या 5 का पंच. What does it mean? ये पांचों फिंगर मिला के एक पंच बनाती हैं जो बहुत सॉलिड होता है. वैसे ही आज मैं कुछ 5 एलिमेंट्स की बात करूंगा which has been found in all the successful people, which is common in all the successful people. Now what is that? My dear friends, ये जो 5 का पंच या 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं, they start with the alphabet P, the 5P. The first P is regarding prepare. If you want to do anything in the life, the first step is to prepare. I give you some examples. For example, if you talk about doctors, engineers, students who are appearing for some competitive exam, they prepare over the years and years and years. They prepare a lot. Same way as if somebody is a corporate person, that person prepare for a long time, and then comes the second step, which I will be talking later. If I talk about the people who are athlete, the people who are with the sports, they prepare a lot over a period of time. Now, once you're prepared, so that preparation makes a lot of difference that how the step 2 will come and how the step 2 will be doing, that is performance. एक बार जब आपकी preparation हो जाती है तो second step आता है performance. I give you best example of performance. All of us know that the world's fastest runner is Usain Bolt, and Usain Bolt ने पिछले 3 Olympics में he has won the gold medal. Now it will be surprising to you कि पिछले 3 Olympics में that person has only ran on the track for 115 seconds approximately, and for that he has earned $119 million. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि in terms of performance इस बंदे ने 1 सेकंड में $1 million से ज्यादा कमाया है. But at the same time, that person says it took 20 years of preparation to achieve this. Same second example I'm going to give you. Just imagine there are 2 people with the same muscle power, and there's a bulk number of trees, and they both are given the same X and the same time of 8 hours. One person through the hard work is able to cut around 150 trees, but on the other hand, other person with the smart work, that person is able to cut more than 400 trees. How it is possible? It is possible because of the second thing, that is called performance, which is based on preparation. Now what the second person did, smart work, उसने क्या किया? उसने जब भी उसको टाइम मिलता वो अपनी X को sharpen करता, and then when the time comes to cut, it cuts very fast. So that is what I'm talking about. So preparation and performance, they are the very key element of success. Now third P is about passion. If you really want to do something in the life, the passion is the key element. Passion एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो कभी नजर नहीं आता है, but it really differentiates you from other people, and nobody can copy your passion for something. Passion is a burning desire. Passion is a fuel to do something. So जो भी successful लोग हुए हैं इतिहास में, they always have a very high level of energy and the passion. उनका कभी भी passion down नहीं होता है. It is always at a very high level. So third P is passion. Now we're talking about fourth P. Now what is that? Persistence. My dear friends, एक जो flowing water होता है ना river का, ये rock को भी cut करता है into a very good shaped stone. How? Through persistence. It is not the power of the river. It is the persistence, continuous effort, continuous putting efforts to something is very important. My dear friends, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि people start the things बहुत जोश में start करते हैं, पर जब होश आता है तो they quit it. But it is very well said कि जो रिंग होता है, बॉक्सिंग रिंग या कोई भी रिंग जहाँ पे फाइट होती है, तो ये मैटर नहीं करता कि how many time you fall down. It matters how many time you get up again. So the people who are persistent, they always have continuity. They don't quit. They always continue their efforts. The fifth one is the most important, that is the patience. My dear friends, अगर ये नहीं है, these 4 elements will not work. दुनिया में कुछ भी करना हो तो धैर्य का होना बहुत जरूरी है. You have to have patience because हर चीज का एक टाइम होता है. एक किसान को पेशेंस रखना होता है फसल के पकने का, which they know कि इसका gestation period क्या है. एक बच्चा जो है, जो womb में होता है, science says that it takes around 9 months plus minus 1 month. So what do I want to say you? My dear friends, as I told you, patience is the key factor जो differentiate करता है between winners and the losers. So all the people in history, they all had these 5 elements who have been successful. So this is in short a success mantra for everyone to be successful Those who have been successful, they had this mantra. Those are successful nowadays and those who want to be successful, this is the mantra. So my dear friends, I just want to say you that do follow this 5P in your life and have a full success, guaranteed success with this 5K punch. Thank you for that. Now, as I told you that I'm a life skill coach, so you can utilize our services through webinars. We can address your whole team. Through webinar, we can address the students as we have customized programs for all sections of society, ranging from kids, teenagers, college students, professionals, organizations. If we talk about married couples, parenting, if we talk about bureaucrats, politicians, we have program for everyone, for all segment of the society. So you can use our services, you can take our services through webinar, through online Zoom, that meetings you can connect with us. So please do connect. Thank you for that and see you. Thank you.